Good morning, my dear students. Last session I explained about northern mountains. Okay, clearly I explained you. Now I am going to explain about Himadri. Himadri also called as Greater Himalayas. We are discussing about parallel ranges of Himalayas. First ranges are Himadri. Himadri also called as Greater Himalayas. Do you understand? Okay. Last class I told you Himalayas stretches west-east direction in a form of an arch. Now Himadri region. What are the features Himadri have? We will discuss now. You understand? All the highest peaks in the world are located in Himadri. Highest peaks. Okay, na? Where Himadri or Greater Himalayas are located, northernmost part Himadri located. These are northernmost ranges. Northernmost ranges. All the highest peaks in the world located in Himadri region or else Greater Himalayas portion like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat. Annapurna. Okay. Kanchenjunga located in Sikkim. Mount Everest located in Nepal. Annapurna located in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, na? All the highest peaks in the world located in Himadri region. Average height of peaks here 6,100 meters. Average elevation of average height exactly 6,100. In your textbook 6,000 meters given. Okay, now you follow 6,000 meters, but exactly the average height of peaks here 6,100. Average height of peaks here 6,000 meters given in your textbooks. Okay, na? Do you understand? Then we can find glaciers here. Where we can find the glaciers? We can find the glaciers in Himadri region. Okay, na? Large mass of ice or else thick mass of ice. Large mass of ice is called glacier. That means this area totally covered by snow. Which area totally covered by snow? Very good. Himadri region. Glacier means large mass of ice. Large mass of ice is called glacier. Glaciers are moving slowly, going down. Whenever glaciers reaches warmer areas, then glaciers will melt. Okay, na? Then what will form? Rivers will form. Okay, na? All the perennial rivers we can find in this area. That means perennial rivers originating in Himadri. Perennial rivers. Perennial rivers means permanent rivers. Throughout the year, these rivers are flowing. For example, Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra. Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra. These rivers are called as perennial rivers. Perennial rivers also called as permanent rivers. Do you understand? Where we can find perennial rivers? Himadri. Where we can find glaciers? Himadri region. Himadri region also called as Greater Himalayas. Okay, na? Nathula, Shipkila. These passes we can find in this area. Nathula, Shipkila. This pass is located in Sikkim. Nathula, Shipkila. These passes we will find here. Okay, na? Then we can find rosewood, fir. These trees we can find here. Okay, na? Do you understand? Okay. Fir, deodar, these kind of trees we can find Himadri region. Okay, na? Fir, deodar, trees where we can find in Himadri region. Average height of peaks here 6,000 meters. Annapurna, Mount Everest, all the highest peaks in the world located in Himadri region. Do you understand? Okay, na? So these are the great features contains Himadri region or else Greater Himalayas. Once again, I will explain you. Greater Himalayas, these are the northernmost ranges. All the highest peaks in the world are located in Himadri region. Mount Everest, Kanchanjunga, Nanga Parbat, Annapurna, these mountains are located in Himadri region. Average height of peaks here 6,000 meters. Glaciers, large mass of ice. Okay, na? Slowly these mass of ice moving, that is called glaciers. We can find glaciers in Himadri region. That means the total area covered by snow. Perennial rivers originating in this area. Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra, these rivers are called as perennial rivers. Nathula, Shipkila, these passes we can find in Himadri region. Fir, Deodar trees we can find in this region. So, this area is not favorable for agriculture. Agriculture is not possible. Agriculture is not possible in Himadri region. Why? Because this area, this region covered by snow. Okay, do you understand? So, this is all about Himadri. Okay, thank you.